Are you caught on the relentless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling like every dollar slips through your fingers? It's time to break free and transform your financial life. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the 7 unbreakable rules of financial success to set you up for a lifetime. You'll want to stay till the end as all 7 work together. Meet John, who earns $50,000 a year but lives a lifestyle suited for a $70,000 salary. Where does that lead him? Right into the jaws of debt. The secret? Live comfortably, but within your means. Rule 1 is simple yet profound. Spend less than you earn. Sounds easy, right? But here's the twist. It's not about cutting out all the joys of life. It's about striking a perfect balance. You'll know how much to save after hearing the next rule. Meet Sarah, who saves 20% of her modest income and invests wisely. Years later, she's financially secure, unlike her peers who earned more but saved less. Ever heard of the phrase, pay yourself first? That's rule number 2. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save. Harnessing the power of compound interest, you can set yourself up for a lifetime of financial stability. The next rule is about being prepared when disaster strikes. Imagine this: a sudden job loss, a medical emergency. Scary, right? That's where rule number 3 comes in. Build an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend you save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. The key is to start building this fund as soon as possible, so when disaster strikes, you're prepared. The next rule is being clear on how much you really make. Meet Mike, who thought he earned $20 per hour but was actually making $13 when all costs were factored in. Rule 4 is understanding your real hourly wage. Think you know what you earn per hour? Think again. After taxes, commuting costs, and other expenses, your actual earnings might shock you. This realization can be a game changer in how you view your job and spending habits. The next rule is about achieving whatever you want in life. Rule 5 is all about budgeting, but not the boring kind you're thinking of. It's about creating a financial roadmap for your dreams. Imagine planning a trip without a map. That's what spending without a budget is like. Planning for the purchases you want to make will set you up for success, and most people fail to do this. If you don't know where you're going, how will you get there? The next rule will make it easier for you to break free. High-interest debt can be a silent killer of your financial health. Rule 6 is all about tackling this beast head-on. Start with the highest interest rates first, like credit card debt. This is the fastest way to save thousands of dollars in interest. Remove your debt and you'll be earning money from interest rather than spending money. The final rule is about putting your eggs in different baskets. Finally, Rule 7: diversify your income. It's not just for the wealthy or the overworked. It's for everyone. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Joe, a teacher, started a small online business teaching math on YouTube and now enjoys an additional income stream. Diversifying your income not only brings in more income, but protects you if you lose your primary job. Now that you're equipped with the 7 unbreakable rules of financial success, which one will you implement first? Let us know in a comment below.